Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix lock screen notification not working on iPhone in iOS 18. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn on notification center on lock screen. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your phone passcode. On the Face ID and passcode page, scroll down, turn on notification center. Solution number 2. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Solution number 3. Allow notification for apps. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on notification. On the notification page, scroll down, tap on Facebook app. Turn on allow notification. Select lock screen. Solution number 4. Turn off low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on battery. On the battery page, turn off low power mode. Thanks for watching this video.